How to float images in Affinity Photo on the Mac. On the PC, you can go to Window and there's various float, tile, etc. However, here I've got 2 images. You could have 5, 10 images. How to float them so they're separated. You can't just go here and drag. It doesn't. All it does is just moves along the top. It doesn't separate. Go to Window and Separated Mode. So separated mode, click that. And it does separate, but it also separates everything. So you actually end up seeing behind as well. You see the background there, which is not ideal. And what you need to do is need to resize it. And you can resize this one as well. Just go to this one. And you can also use the hand tool just to reposition it again. Not ideal. But still, it's done. It's been separated now. So you can reposition this, move it around like that. And sometimes it's very useful to do that because you might have a reference image here. You might want to work on this image here, do various things, but you want to look at that reference image there. I'm surprised there's no reference feature in Affinity Photo. That would be really nice. Well, what you can also do is Window, and now merge all windows becomes available. So you've got that, merge all windows. So select that and it merges it again. Again, not particularly ideal, but it's merged it. It's put them back to as was before. So Window, merge all windows, still available, even though it's merged it. However, now you can break them apart and separate them. Though weirdly, it goes into a funny state just then. Just froze for a few seconds, but it can separate during that because we're still in Window and separated mode. Even though merge all windows just puts it back to the previous state. So separated mode, if you want to come out of that, just deselect that and you're back to exactly the same as before where you got the images separate in these. So you have to go through the tabs. Maybe it should be tabbed mode or not tabbed mode or something like that. However, there is also this option, tile window, which makes it slightly more confusing. Tile window to left of screen. And I'm going to select that. And what it will do, it will show you this, which is great. But it doesn't actually float them. But I just wanted to point that out. And to get it back, just going to go here and Window, and hopefully at some point I will return it to what it was before. Toggle full screen. Helps. Anyway, hope you found this tutorial of interest. If you've got any questions, and also if you've got any solutions around this as well, if you know of another way to do it, please put in the comments below. It'd be great to know because I think you should be able to tile it. Say you've got like 4 images. It'd be nice if you could tile them into 4 tiles because you want to see all the 4 tiles all at the same time. And it would be nice if that feature was available. It doesn't appear to be in Affinity Photo, certainly on the Mac version. Thank you much.